Inhale to neutral spine, and let's move into bird dog, a core engaging pose. Extend your right arm forward and your left leg straight back. Keep your torso absolutely stable. And on an exhale breath, slowly draw your right elbow and your left knee toward each other under your body in a slow motion crunch. Inhale, extend. Exhale and crunch. Inhale, extend. Exhale and crunch. Take 2 more. Inhale, extend, and release. Once your palms and your knees are back down, we'll switch sides. Take your left arm forward and your right leg back. Reach out, keep your torso stable, and crunch. Extend, crunch. Take a few more. Breathe in, extend, crunch, extend, and release.